Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, E-mini, hourly chart, and I want to start with the hourly today because it just kind of defines where we've been. So we come out of the box on Friday, we go weekly pivot resistance, and they train wreck it down. They find their footing right at the round number there, 2100. Okay. They trade there for most of the night, and the bulls were able to push up off of there and fight through sell rallies mode and break above, just about every key area. They broke above the weekly pivot. They broke above the lower band on the daily chart. They broke above those areas that the bears really needed to defend in order to make the argument that they were in control of this tape. So, the red line here, the orange line rather, weekly pivot. When they lost that area, they lost the tape yesterday. The squeeze intensified, and we did as high as 56 even. Now, they've wound that back overnight. And right now, the battle of Globex has been the battle over the weekly pivot and the daily pivot. We're currently below it. We spent most of our time above it. If you're the bears, you want to break this area. If you're the bulls, you want to stay above it. So 35.36 is going to be the entire key to the day today. If you are on the, if your trade is on the correct side of 35.36, you're going to be fine. What the bears want to do is push and get back down to this roundy and make a lower low. Bulls just want to defend here, take out 56, and then if they're able to do that, they've got a date with the mid band on the daily chart. So let's look briefly at the daily. Big move down, big fight back, and now now the rubber's going to meet the road. You can see the lower level here. The lower band rather, they've engaged it, but the band ride is most likely going to be over if they can't break yesterday's low. That's a pretty tall order. You're talking about 2125. That's 35-40 handles. Do I put it past them in this kind of volatility? No. And we've seen similar things back in August of 15, October of 2014. You see these situations arise. On longer term time frames, and I want to give the bears their due, on longer term time frames, until they lose the middle band on the daily chart, the bears remain in control of this tape. And you've got to remember that. We could do a multi-day rally up to mid-band and fail. As long as that makes a lower low, then the bears are still going to get their expansion downward. The bears rarely pull that off. They've only really pulled that off in August of 15 and October of 2014. Other than that, they just get deja vu all over again. They say, oh, here we go. I don't want to get hurt this time, and off we go. Higher lows, higher highs, and pretty soon we're back at all-time highs. So that's definitely on the table, okay? And a day like yesterday puts those similar fears right back in everybody's mind. So 2135, 2136 is going to tell the tale. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us over at Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.